The rain arrived sometime this afternoon. I didn't even hear it start. Now it's drawing little rivers across the corner of my yard. The coffee's getting colder, but I haven't moved at all. There's something in the way the water falls that keeps me here. The world keeps rushing somewhere beyond the glass, but for a little while I'll let it pass. I'm watching the rain through the window, watching the day drift slowly by. Every drop carries a story I don't need to know tonight. For now, I'm just watching the rain. The rooftops fade into the distance, wrapped in silver and gray. The trees move like they're whispering things I can't quite translate. 1,000 little moments flowing down the pane, and somehow every thought I had feels lighter in the rain. The clock keeps moving forward, but I don't mind. Some days are meant for wandering inside your mind. I'm watching the rain through the window, watching the clouds rewrite the sky. Every drop carries a feeling that I forgot was mine. For now, I'm just watching the rain. Nothing to chase, nothing to prove, just the sound of the rain and a quiet room. Sometimes that's enough, sometimes that's everything. I'm watching the rain through the window, watching the evening turn to blue. Every drop becomes a memory floating softly into view. For now, I'm just watching the rain and letting the world move without me. Soft humming, felt piano echoes. Rainfall continuing outside.